A very good morning to all my students. This is our second part of today's GS classes. In this part, we are going to use our book World Around Me. So take out your book with your pencil and eraser and then open it. Student, in the first part, we have seen a picture of park and we have also done some of the worksheets. And in this part, we'll see a picture of school and we'll also do some exercises. So let's just begin by writing the date in the date box. So the date is 10/2/2021. The topic is we play at a school. Look, this is a picture of your classroom. आपको याद है क्या जब आप क्लास में आते थे तो यू यूज टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज लाइक यू यूज टू डू कलरिंग एंड ड्राइंग. याद है आपको आप स्कूल में ऐसे कलरिंग वगैरह करते थे, वर्कशीट्स कंप्लीट करते थे हम. सो अब जब स्कूल रीओपन होगा ना तो वी विल डू द सेम थिंग्स. We'll play at the school, we will draw something, we'll color, we'll paint, okay? So, look, there are some students and here she is the teacher. Okay. Coming forward to the next page, look at the picture given on your left hand and name the activity you drew in school. There are some pictures. We have to name these activities that we do in our school. I'm responsible. Take the following pictures each time you take up the following duties. Here are some pictures that show some kind of work. तो आपको टिक करना है कि आपको कौन सा वर्क करना चाहिए. You are responsible for the duty or not. Means whenever you color something, तो after coloring you pack your things or not. I pack the crayons and toys. After playing, आप अपने crayons और toys को पैक करते हो कि नहीं, आप इसके लिए responsible हो कि नहीं, तो tick here, okay? So tick this one. The next one is I pick up the trash after activities. जब भी आप activities करते हो कुछ तो उसके बाद जो भी trash होता है, जो भी garbage निकलता है, तो वो आप pick up करके डस्टबिन में डालते हो और नहीं, तो you should do this, okay? So tick this one. The next one is I clean the table. So whenever you do any activity on your table, so you should clean the table or not. Are you responsible for this? Yes. So tick this one. I keep things back in their place. आप ये घर पे भी after completing your work, after completing your homeworks and things, you should keep all these things at their correct place. Okay? So take this one. Lastly, I switch off the light. Whenever you leave the room, you should switch off the light. You are responsible for this as well. The following good habits make playtime more fun. So here are some good habits that make your time, that utilize your time for playing. The first one is walking in a line. जब भी आप सारे बच्चों के साथ खेलने जाते हैं ना तो आपको कैसे करना चाहिए? You should walk in a line, walk in a row. The next one is जब भी आप गार्डन में जाते होगे तो you must see this kind of swing. No, क्या करते हो आप? एक दूसरे को push कर देते हो for your turn? No, this is a bad habit. You should wait for your turn. And you should share your toys with your friend and with your sibling. You should never fight for the toys. You should always share your toys. Okay? Now moving forward to the next page. Grandma's clothes bag. I'm going to tell you the story. Look, here is grandma who is making some kind of cloth bags. Grandma made some bright bags with colorful patches and many rags. She said, "Look what I have for you." But the children said, "No, grandma, thank you. We have plastic bags, smart and new." Grandma ने कितने सारे bags बनाए हैं and grandma ने children से बोला कि look, I have so many bags to take this one. लेकिन बच्चों ने क्या बोल दिया कि no, grandma, thank you. We have plastic bags. आप भी plastic bag use करते हो ना? They threw the plastic bags all around on hills, in rivers and on the ground. Animals sometimes ate the bags too. They fell ill and then turned blue. And now no one knew what to do. Look, after using plastic bags, children threw here and there near roadside, near hills and in rivers. And after that animals eat some of the plastic bags. और उसके बाद animals को क्या होता है? They fall ill. तो this is really bad habit to use polythene bags and throw it here and there. तो जब बच्चों ने देखा, they have no idea now what to do. So then they call grandma back and asked her for clothes bag. Now these are the bags they carry along for so much plastic and the world is really wrong. ये वापस से अपनी grandma के पास जाते हैं and they took all these clothes bag. Why? Because plastic bag are very harmful. हमें भी ना plastic bags वाली जो polythene होती है ना, we should not use them because they are really harmful for us. आपको भी ना paper bag और या तो clothes bag use करने चाहिए. Okay? Now look here. Did you know we can also use paper to make bag? हम पेपर से भी ना बैग बना सकते हैं. तो here are some steps. आप इसको ट्राई करना घर पे, आप बना सकते हो या नहीं. Okay? So take any paper and try to make a paper bag. For now, turn your page. Our next topic is at the supermarket. Write down date. आप भी सुपरमार्केट जाते होगे ना टू बाय थिंग्स. सो दिस इज अ सुपरमार्केट. आप सुपरमार्केट में जाके ऐसे रोने लगते हो क्या कि मॉम आई वांट दिस ओनली, मुझे यही चाहिए, मुझे लेके दो. आर यू डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग? लुक, इज इट लुकिंग गुड? नो, दिस इज रियली बैड. यू शुड नेवर डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके? So this is the picture of a supermarket. Here is the billing counter. जब आप सारी चीजें खरीद के आते हो तो बिल कराते हो ना, तो this is the billing counter. And here you wait for your turn. And here are the items that you can buy. And in the next page, in page number 93, here is a boy जो कि अभी तक सुपरमार्केट में ही रह गया. बट हिज पेरेंट्स केम आउट. तो हमें इसे भी कहाँ लेके जाना है? एग्जिट तक लेके जाना है, बाहर तक लेके जाना है. ओके? एंड ऑल्सो नेम द थिंग जो आपको रास्ते में दिखती है. तो लेट्स जस्ट बिगिन. नो, आई एम नॉट गोना डू दिस. डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. ओके? दिस इज योर होमवर्क टू डू. सो दिस इज फॉर द This is all the things that we have done in this part. So complete this exercise. Okay, try to make paper bags and do this exercise given in page number 89. And we will meet in the next video for new topics and some new worksheets. Okay, till then, goodbye.